How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River East to West Ahara. This is going to be their 390DS floor plan. We're going to start with our pass-through storage first. So you have a lot going on underneath here. You do have a little outdoor shower, cable and satellite hookups, nice LED light strip to illuminate the area. And then moving to our entry door, you have some gorgeous solid steps underneath by Moride, as well as a nice big grab handle. And then if I take even more steps back, you can see that you have two awnings on the campsite as well as one slide out. Taking a look down at the tires, you can tell that this camper is dual axle. Moving to the very back, if you look up, you have your Lippert ladder backer as well as your backup camera prep. And then you have your rear entrance. Now this rear entrance is going to lead into the bathroom of the fifth wheel. Now it is the second full bath, not just a puny little half bath. You do also have a hitch receiver down there at the bottom. And then moving to the driver's side of this fifth wheel, you have 3 slide outs on this side. So 4 slide outs altogether. If we keep moving forward, we're going to run into our water heater as well as the other side of our pass-through storage, which has the water station underneath. So you have a motion light to illuminate the area, battery disconnect switch. This is where you hook up your city water, black tank flush, all that good stuff. You also have your Lippert leveling system right here. And then at the very front, you're going to find your heavy-duty Lippert Rhino box hitch. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Moving to the inside, to the right of your entry door, we're going to start with your freestanding dinette. Now this freestanding dinette seats 4 people. You do have a drawer that pulls out that is attached to the table, maybe for some card games when it's late and cold outside at night. You do have your theater seating right next to that. It does recline, of course. Cup holders in the middle, as well as a little bit of remote storage. And then as far as entertainment centers go, you do have a smart TV up above, sound system in the middle, and then you also have your fireplace down below. Now this fireplace does have a little bit of a secret. The bottom does pull out to reveal a little bit of storage, which is super cute. And then moving to your kitchen area, this kitchen island is insane. Either side does have pop outs so that you can have a little bit of extra countertop space, single basin sink, and then on the end here you do have trash cans that pull out, as well as a cutting board. Across from that, you do have a 4-burner cooktop in this guy, as well as a massive oven and a microwave up above all of that. Residential fridge in here. And then as far as pantry space goes, this one's really it. You have adjustable shelves, as well as some little pot holder holders. That's hilarious. You also have your little coffee station next to that. And then off of the kitchen, you have a little loft area. So this ladder goes up to your loft area. It definitely is perfect for your kiddos or maybe extra storage. Keeping moving on back, we've got another bedroom. So king size bed up in here, night lights on either side, as well as windows. Across from that, you have another smart TV, as well as plenty of wardrobe storage, which is really, really cool. And then this is the second entrance that we saw on the outside. Nice shower with your porcelain toilet down below. The ceilings back here are super tall. It's just insane. You have your medicine cabinet, sink down below. And then if we move to the middle of the fifth wheel here, we're going to see the other bathroom. So 2 full baths, 2 full bedrooms. It's just, this thing's massive. You have your sink, medicine cabinet. You also have a bigger shower than the one that's in the back, but you do have a skylight above to give you a little bit of extra headroom. Nice little seat in there as well. Towel storage to the left with another porcelain toilet down below. At the very front of this fifth wheel, we have our main bedroom. So another king size bed, night lights, of course, a little bit of drawer action underneath there. And then we have your wardrobe. This wardrobe is on a motion light, which is pretty cool to illuminate the area. And then next to that, you have your washer and dryer prep. So nice big space. Maybe you don't even need washer and dryer prep. Totally up to you. Across from the bed, you do have a little bit of extra storage, as well as another TV. So 3 TVs up in this guy is pretty insane. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 East to West Ahara 390DS. Thank you so much. Have a great day. A drawer that pulls out that is attached to the table, maybe for some card games when it's late and cold outside at night. You do have your theater seating right next to that.